Namaskar. We have told you about the concept of keywords in theory. Let us understand that by this practical example. So, keywords, as you know, are the fixed names used as language instructions. Keywords cannot be used as user-given names or identifiers. So, let me print all the keywords. This is the program. This is a simple two-line program. You may not know how import is working, how this function is or method is working, but let us still run this program. So with this program you are getting this whole list, what all names Python reserves for itself, which means that you cannot give these names as your own names. For example, if you want to define class as your variable name and give it a value 10, you cannot do that because it is a keyword. So this has given error. You can give your own name, fine. You can give class 1 you can give, surely. See, then this won't give an error. But if you give, suppose I give assert as name of keyword or assert as my variable name, then you cannot give it, right? So that's what is the meaning of having knowledge of keywords, because with the knowledge of keywords, you should not give the wrong names. Okay, and let me understand this code also. Remember, these are fixed names used as language instructions. So keyword is very important to learn. The basic things should be learnt well because this gives you a foundation, and with this foundation you will not commit errors later. You again watch this list, and here this has given the detail how this is work. Import keywords, built-in keyword module, and this gives a keyword list, and that's what is the simple explanation. Okay, so please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.